Hello and very good morning, dear students. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's video is all about how to increase the visibility of your Fiverr gig. Everyone is concerned about this one question, that how to be into the top rated into the Fiverr's freelancers list. So on behalf of Institute of Freelancing, I welcome you all. And let's get started, and let me tell you how to start up with this one. So as soon as you see this one, you just have to log in from here, sign in first, and as soon as you sign in, you received an email that is in the message box. Okay, and in the message notification bar, you find out there's an action required on this gig, and that is increase your visibility by completing your gig information. You either click on this or open this into the new window, and that will directly comes up as a new page that, hey, you need to optimize your gig, increase your gig visibility. Okay, so how can you do this? There's a very simple method. First is go to the title. That if that title is perfect, that's all right. Otherwise, you have to just convert your simple PowerPoint to an engaging to engaging what e-course. ठीक है जी. So that is just perfect. जैसे ही आप इसको mention करेंगे, it will prompt you that this is absolutely perfect. E-course is, by the way, is engaging course rather. That is more appropriate. Okay, there's a very important thing which you required to do this at the bottom here. Gigs के जो meta data है, in there you have to do a couple of things. First is this information you have to provide, which is already this. Go through one by one. This is service type that is not have been so far selected. So select from here to the full site presentation, custom double design or minor design touch-ups. इस gig में जो basically what are you going to provide to your client, that is something which you have to mention. Presentation softwares you have to mention, like for example PowerPoint, Google Slide, and whatever. इसके अलावा if you are choosing anyone, you have to choose 3 out of this long list. So let's suppose I'm going with, let's marketing, and then there's a business proposal and education, and there's a long list, by the way. You just scroll it down and there's a long list which comes up बिल्कुल exactly ऐसे ही जैसे industry के tab में आप जाएं, and you have to select 4. So just arts and design, education, and let's suppose non-profit, and मैं इनमें से जाके कोई एक और select कर लेता हूँ, which you can later at the later stage you can change it up, right? And go to the language bar, and from here you have to choose 3 languages that is mandatory. So first one is the English, the second one could be like my native Urdu, and the other one could be Hindi or maybe Punjabi, whatever you like. जो भी आप इनमें से either Hindi or maybe go to that somewhere here, Punjabi. Okay. So anyone, any instance of it's not specific. The first one is very important. That is the English one. This is something which you have to choose. Now we have to move to the next ladders. Go to the top. Overview के साथ there's another tab that's pricing we have to update. Then the description we have to update. Then the requirements, and then the gallery. And बिल्कुल इसके सामने there's a save button. So you have to press on these tabs, and this is something you have to fill in. कि इन सारी की सारी चीज़ों में what are you going to provide, ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें fill in करनी है. So let me pause my video here for a second just to save the time. After done मैं इसको fill in करता हूँ, और उसके बाद we'll start up our videos. Okay, so here we are with this updated version of our gig. Scope and pricing में मैंने जाके there are plenty of other details information जो कि मैंने mention कर दी. Into the initial basic package में I'll deliver that instead of 4 days. Yeah, that's 4 days is very much okay. And with the 1 revision, with the 5 days 2 revision, 6 days 3 revision, I'll provide the source codes, source files, and slide includers 3 के बजाय इसको मैं let me put it 5, 10, and 30, and I'll provide all these informations, and the prices would be this. and additional slides अगर आप basic में चाहते हैं at the delivery of $5 I'll provide 2 more slides. In the standard में $10 for 4 slides, and premium में $20 for another detail 10 more slides. So that is something, that is how you update all those kind of the information, and just press on save, and that will be, the changes has been saved. So let's roll back to the top of this and go back to the third tab, that is description and question answer session. So instead of this I must say कि इसको थोड़ा सा touch up कर लें, because there is a problem with this. Okay, it's 3D Studio, that has to be capital, PowerPoint with no space. MS stands for Microsoft, so that has to be capital. And इस तरह की चीज़ें, the basic things, and उसके बाद you just save it up, and save करने के बाद go to the next, and that's the requirement from the client, what you want. What are those requirements which you want from client? The first is the code requires an interaction. Regular interaction, I always prefer to interact directly, and further I need the storyboard to start my development, something like this, so that it should be clear to your client that what exactly are you looking for before proceeding to the next steps. ठीक है जी? So answer mandatory बिल्कुल नहीं करना आपने, because this is not at all a good thing कि आप उसे bound करें on something. At the end of the day, he is the owner of the project and he is giving you the work, so it's better not to tease him. So इसको अपडेट कर दें, and then उसके बाद इसको सेव कर दें. Okay जी, let's move to the last ladder, and that is the gallery. Let's move to the gallery, and this is something other than this. अगर आप इसके अलावा को अपडेट करना चाहते हैं, ऐड ऑन करना चाहते हैं, तो that is your choice. अगर इससे रिलेटेड कोई वीडियो आपके पास पड़ी हुई है, तो that is something, and the PDF if you can provide to the client, that is the best. And that's how actually this whole thing goes on. These were the basics things जो कि आपने करनी थी. और इसके अलावा what else? Okay, all set. Convert your simple PowerPoint to engaging e-course. Done. So let me save this one, and यहाँ से जाएंगे ऊपर जाके at the top. Here you can see save. Save करने के बाद you have to preview it. All set. Save and preview, and here we go. Now with this kind of changes, ये जो basic 4 different tabs and उनके अंदर की settings हैं, after going through all this, you will find out there's an increase in your gig visibility, and most probably I'm pretty sure that with the help of this video, you will find out that there's a strong possibility that you will get the order now. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, so that इस तरह की और बहुत सारी related videos मैं साथ साथ post करता हूँ. Thank you very much. See you then. Bye bye.